Hi, Olivia and Semai. I hope I said your names correctly. Um, welcome, welcome. Can't wait to have you in class. I'm not sure if you're going to be joining us live or not, but periodically, what I'll do is make videos that are 5 to 10 minutes that just give you an overview of what we're doing in class. And the intention is so that you can understand the directions and then just follow along the slides and do it on your own time. Okay. If you have any questions, please know that I absolutely want to help you. So just email me and I'm here to support you. Okay. So you can see how this class begins with just a welcome slide and getting the materials out, having clean hands and all that. Then a routine that we do in class is for about 20 seconds, I play the singing bowl, and it's just an opportunity to begin with a sense of calm. I always go over the agenda, so what we're going to learn and what we're going to do during the class. And so Tuesday's class, and that's the first class of the week for you social studies, the learning is to refresh understanding of the five strands and to gain a big picture of our first unit of study. So what we're doing is beginning with a quick write. Typically these last about 5 minutes where we write for 5 minutes. In this case, I'd like you to watch this video called All Human Beings. I think it's around 6 minutes. It's beautiful. And then there's a quick writing that goes along with it that we're going to do. We'll get into the five strands. I will present to the class something called the Whitepaper. It's like a roadmap for our unit. And then Google Classroom, everybody will be invited to sign up for Google Classroom, get that all set up. And then the last part of class will be doing an assignment called color symbol image, and I'll explain that in just a few minutes, and then we'll clean up. Okay, you can see the exit ticket. Students leave. I'm going to collect their CSI, their color symbol image, number 5 there. So for the quick write, in your notebook, I hope you have a notebook. If you don't, if you can please get one soon. Create a little table where you do what I see, what I think, and what I wonder. And you might do this while you watch it, or you might do it after. Either way, but we want to maintain our skills of being observers of the world. So what we see, and these are just bullets, okay? And you don't need to capture everything and pause the video and all that. It's just simply what do we observe, and then what do we think about what we see, and then the third one that is really important to me is maintaining curiosity. And what do you wonder? So when you watch this or after you've watched this, what questions do you have? Okay, so you'll just click on that play button there. And then I'm going to have students. We're sitting in a triad right now, so in groups of 3, and I'm going to have them just share with each other about what they wrote, questions they had, things they saw, and things they were thinking about. Kind of a starter activity for the first probably 15 minutes or so. And then we'll get into the 5 strands, doing this in our notebooks. And if you can, please, what do you remember about last year, the 5 strands? So I know you both didn't go to ISB, but just do your best, okay? So even if you went to ISB, you might forget, but I'm just asking you to do your best on this. So you probably have heard of peace and conflict. So what is that? What's that mean to you? Okay, what does that strand really mean? And if you have no idea of interdependence, no need to Google it. It's okay. This is just beginning to think about what these words mean and refresh our memories. So, and then what are examples of each of them? All right. So I put here new students. Yeah. What do you think of each strand means? And can you think of any examples? Okay. You're not expected to be an expert on these 5. Know that it's kind of like a lens. Each unit that we study 4 units, and each unit we study, we look through these different lenses. And we did it in 6th grade, the 5 strands. We do it in 7th grade, and then yes, we do it in 8th grade as well. Different units of study, but the same strands. Following this, we'll have a brief discussion, and then I'll answer any questions students have, or maybe each other will answer each other's questions on what the 5 strands exactly are. And then I'll go over the white paper, and you can click on that link up there, white paper. I'll do it now. I'll just show you what it is here. It looks like this, and we are finalizing it. Miss Vogt and I, the other 7th grade teacher. And the idea is, as a roadmap, as you see here, just giving an overview of what are we going to do, what are some of the things that we're going to do in this first unit of study called global collaboration. We go over it, and then in Google Classroom, there'll be an assignment, and there's just, I think, 3 questions, and it'd be great if you did that. And again, you can click on it, and you can read the whole form, and let me know any, the white paper. If you have any questions on it, please let me know. But the 3 questions are quite, you'll get it. You'll look at the white paper, and you'll be able to do it. And you'll submit your responses on that assignment in Google Classroom. So to get on Google Classroom, period 1 is this code, and period 3 is this code. So if you don't know how to get into Google Classroom, I'm sure you could just YouTube that, how to sign up to Google Classroom. But if you can't figure it out, let me know. You're probably doing this in some of your other classes as well, and have done it before. And then the last part of class, here's the CSI, the color symbol image. And we really want to know you, and we want others to know you. And so you could do this in your notebook if you want. I'd love it if you did it and you took a picture of it and sent it to me. You could do it on a blank white piece of paper if you wanted to use it, your computer, and do it digitally, however you want to. But know that what we're interested in here is what color represents you, all right? And then the lines below explain why you say that. If you had a symbol to represent you, what would that be? Okay, and that goes in the middle box there, and then explain what that symbol is and why you chose that. And then an image, if you had an image of you, what would that image be? All right, and thinking more than literally like just a picture of your face, like what would be an image that would represent you? Okay. And again, if you can send this to me when you're finished, I'd really like to see you and get to know you better, right? Because this is the exit ticket. So they're going to share, students will share with each other, and then that's the exit ticket. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Always, I want to support you. So thanks for watching.